Little
Are
one.
you videotaping right now?
No.
Whoa!
You running?
Well, she's not just gonna jump. She's gonna get the hell out of here.
What you doing?
Looks like she's like walking on the moon.
Yeah, I guess it didn't have to be lowered that much. What are you doing? She's like, okay, now what?
Grace.